Shadows in the moonlight, secrets softly sung, melodies that linger, hearts forever young, lost in quiet echoes. Dreams are all we chase. Late night whispers dancing in the dark, softly drifting, we ignite that spark. Underneath the starlight, we find our place. Shadows slowly fading as the night unfolds, painting constellations before they all get old. In this gentle silence, our love finds its space. Chasing endless echoes, soft as velvet night. Underneath the moon glow, everything feels right. In these late night whispers, all our fears erase. A whisper in the quiet sky, soft as the breeze that passes by. The world turns slow, no need to race. Hope lingers here in every space. And the light begins to grow. Feel it warm, feel it show. Rising light, rising high, touch the clouds. was quiet but not the same. The sky above it whispered blue, a quiet promise, a morning new. And the wind, it carried my fears away. A whisper soft, it said, you'll be okay. New horizons, they're calling me, wide and open as far as I see. Hope is rising like the tide. New horizons, my heart's my guide. The trees were swaying in perfect time. Their leaves were dancing, their song was mine. The ground beneath it hummed so low, a gentle rhythm, a steady glow. New horizons, they're calling me, wide and open as far as I see. Hope is rising like the tide. New horizons, my heart's my guide. Every shadow fades at dawn. Every ending brings a song. The sun will rise, it always does. A quiet truth, a boundless trust. A ripple in the quiet air, soft hands of time just linger there. The moon hums low, it doesn't care. Whispered echoes, soft and slow. Healing rivers, let them flow. Whispered echoes, let them go. A shadow bends aside, takes flight. The stars exhale their borrowed light. The stillness wraps around the night. whispered echoes, soft and slow, healing rivers, let them flow, whispered echoes, let them go. Drift in the calm, drift in the glow, where nothing to hold is all we know. Bathe it in, let it show. Whispered echoes, soft and slow, healing rivers, let them flow, whispered echoes, let them go. A ripple in the quiet air, soft hands of time just linger there. The moon hums low, it doesn't care. Whispered echoes, soft and slow, healing rivers, let them flow, whispered echoes, let them go. A shadow bends, a sigh takes flight. The stars exhale their borrowed light. The stillness left around the night. Whispered echoes, soft and slow, where the whispers go. Leaves bow down as the shadows grow. Whispered winds carry me to a place where time runs free. Endless sky, endless dissolve as the sunlight breaks through. Quiet sigh, the earth renews. Whispered wings carry me to a place where time runs free. Endless sky, endless sea. the silence call my name, a fleeting shadow in the flame. Soft whispers brush against my skin. The sky is heavy with the night, a million stars, but none alight. I breathe it in, I let it spin. Whispers in the wind, they find me, carrying dreams I left behind me. Every echo pulls me near to the quiet, to the quiet. A single tear, it bends the light. The moon is patient in its flight. The earth is still, the moment stays. I touch the edge of what is real, fragile thread, a heart to heal. Time dissolves, it slips away. The wind, it hums a broken tune. It dances soft beneath the moon. I found a letter under the floor, ink faded whispers of what we swore. Your words still hum like an old song, short and sweet, but never wrong. Whispers of yesterday call my name, soft as the wind through an open frame. I hold the echoes they left behind, searching for pieces of time we can rewind. A photograph curled at the edge, dusty corners, a memory's pledge. Your laughter hides in the creases there, fragile moments floating in the air. But they're not gone at all. They linger softly when shadows fall. Whispers wife. And if I could, I'd reach through the years, catch your smile, wipe away your tears. But time's a thief with a velvet glove, it steals the pain, but leaves the The sun beats down on this golden sand, a burning love I can't withstand. Your eyes, they glow like an amber fire. They pull me in, they take me higher. I fell into a desert flame, a scorching heat I cannot tame. And it burns, oh it burns, this desert flame. It twists and turns, it twists and turns. The wind, it whispers your name at night, a melody under the pale moonlight. Your touch, it lingers, a desert breeze, a fleeting wish, it brings me to my knees. I fell into a desert flame, a scorching heat I cannot tame. And it burns, oh it burns, this desert flame. It twists and turns, it twists and turns. Oasis far, yet so near, a mirage of you, crystal clear. I chase the heat, I chase the glow, through endless dunes where shadows grow. I fell into a desert flame, a scorching heat I cannot tame. And it burns, oh it burns, this desert flame. It twists and turns, it twists and turns. I hear the silence call my name, a fleeting shadow in the flame. Soft whispers brush against my skin. The sky is heavy with the night, a million stars but none are light. I breathe it in, I let it spill. the quiet, to the clean. Single tear, it bends the light. The moon is patient in its flight. The earth is still, the moment stays. I touch the edge of what is real, a fragile thread, a heart to heal. Time dissolves, it slips away. The wind, it hums a broken tune. It dances soft beneath the moon, a lullaby, a fleeting pages turning slow like time won't leave. Moonlight paints the floor, it's hard to believe. The quiet speaks louder than words. Every creak in the night feels heard. Ticks but doesn't push. Soft whispers hide in the paper's hush. Ink like rivers flow so free, tracing paths of who I could be. Every dot, every line holds a secret or a sly. Oh, midnight pages, where do you go? Filling the silence with stories untold. Lines that drift like clouds in the sky. just the pages and me. I found a letter under the floor, ink-faded whispers of what we swore. Your words still hum like an old song, short and sweet, but never wrong. Whispers of yesterday call my name, soft as the wind through an open frame. I hold the echoes they left behind, searching for pieces of time we can't rewind. A photograph curled at the edge, dusty corners a memory's pledge. Your laughter hides in the creases there, fragile moments floating in the air. Up there, not gone, not gone at all. They linger softly when shadows fall. Whispers of yesterday call my name, soft as the wind through an open frame. I hold the echoes they left behind, searching for pieces of time we can't rewind. And if I could, I'd reach through the years, catch your smile, wipe away your tears. But time's a thief with a velvet glove. It steals the pain, but leaves the The sun beats down on this golden sand, a burning love I can't withstand. Your eyes, they glow like an ember fire. They pull me in, they take me higher. I fell into a desert flame, a scorching heat I cannot tame. And it burns, oh it burns, This desert flame, it twists and turns. The wind, it whispers your name at night. A melody under the pale moonlight. Your touch, it lingers, a desert breeze. A fleeting wish, it brings me to my knees. I fell into a desert flame, a scorching heat I cannot take. And it burns, oh it burns. This desert flame, it twists and turns. Oasis far, yet so near. A mirage of you, crystal clear. I chase the heat, I chase the glow, through endless dunes where shadows grow. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I face the heat, I chase the glow, through endless dunes where shadows grow. I fell into a desert flame, a scorching heat I cannot take. And it burns, oh it burns. This desert flame, it twists and turns. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oasis far, yet so near. A mirage of you, crystal clear. I chase the heat, I chase the glow, through endless dunes where shadows grow. Oasis far, yet so near. A mirage of you, crystal clear. I chase the heat, I chase the glow, through endless dunes where shadows grow. I fell into a desert flame, scorching heat I cannot take. And it burns, oh it burns. This desert flame, it twists and turns. Through endless dunes where shadows grow. Oasis far, yet so near. A mirage of you, crystal clear. I chase the
feathers drift in the air so slow. A soft wind speaks where the whispers go. Leaves bow down as the shadows grow. Whispered wings carry me to a place where time runs free. Endless sky, endless sea. dissolve as the sunlight breaks through. A quiet sigh, the earth lilies, whispered wings carry me to a place where time runs free. Endless sky, endless No footsteps here, no trace, no sound, just the pulse of life in the world around. Breath of the wind, the only crown. Whisper the wings carry me to a place where time runs free. Endless sky, endless The sky wears a coat of fading blue. A breeze whispers secrets it once knew. I sit in the quiet, my hands feel cold. The air smells like stories, both young and old. Whispered memories, they call my name like echoes in the quiet, a flickering flame. They hold me close, they let me go. Whispered memories, they ebb and flow. A creak in the floor, a clock ticks slow. Shadows stretch where the lamplight glows. Pictures framed in a soft golden haze. Their laughter still lingers from distant days. The past day hums a song so sweet, I find myself swaying to its beat. Whispered memories, they call my name like echoes in the quiet, a flickering flame. They hold me close, they let me go. Whispered memories, they ebb and flow. Do they live in the cracks of time, or dance in the chords of an old rhyme? I reach, but they slip right through, familiar as rain, fleeting as dew.